3 B2B social media trends to look out for in 2022. Using AI. Tools exist to auto-generate social media content across channels, going so far as to automatically include hashtags and shortened links. Tools also exist to auto-schedule these shares in bulk. Bite-sized content. Our audiences cannot always dedicate their time to long-form content. And it's no surprise our attention spans are only getting shorter. Snackable content such as tweets, stories, and videos are the easiest and most efficient way to communicate on social media platforms. TikTok for B2B. There's no doubt that the still relatively new platform and promoting short videos is trendy. The question is, can you leverage it for your B2B tech? While the audience is not large at the moment, it's expected to grow massively over the next 2 years. Want to get the most from your content? Then visit vidon.ai.